Good morning, dear friends. Today I want to talk about who is the boss? Are you control in your mind or are you in control of your heart? Are you confused what I am saying? I am saying do you follow what your mind is saying or do you follow what your heart is saying? What is the main thing which governs you or controls you, your decisions? Do you want to live your life the way you want to live, or you are just being forced to follow one particular path of your life? What is that thing? Most of you, or most of the people, believes that they want to live their life according to being like they want to be their own master. But somehow they are not able to do that. They are under the control of heart. And they want to take control, like they want mind to control their life. But this is not happening. First of all, you have to analyze or realize that you are not under the control of mind. You are on autopilot mode. And what is this basically? Is it something is it really true that heart can control you? Or are we talking about something else? We are talking about subconscious mind. Yes, we are basically talking about subconscious mind. That subconscious mind is basically an automatic pilot mode where you are living your life the way you want your past experience want you to live. There is a basic difference. You are not becoming mindful. You are not being mindful. Now, what does it mean? It means like if someone says something to you and you just react for no reason, like you think, oh, how dare you to talk to me like this? Who are you to talk to me like this? You have no right to speak to me like this. And then you will start reacting, and then you can rationalize also. You can justify that it was completely okay because someone else misbehaved. But it's not the case. He is doing his karma, he is doing his duty, and that is up to you. Whether you will be his, he's taking control of you. He's being bad to you, and you are basically becoming bad because he was bad to you. So, who is in the control? The next person. You are not in the control. So, what you need to do is you have to first of all realize without observing yourself, you cannot take control on yourself. It's not going to happen automatically. You have to work on yourself. And for that, what you need to do is I'm not going to give you the big lecture and I will not explain you anything until and unless you don't realize this thing. This is the first step. Observe your actions, not just actions, also even thoughts. Also you need to observe your thoughts, if I am feeling something, first of all you have to acknowledge what you are feeling, and then you have to acknowledge what are you doing. This is the first step. Perfect it, master it, and then you are on the way to take control of your life. So do it and tell me in comments what you want to say. If you have any things, any topics, anything, any questions you want to ask, please let me know in comments so it will be easy for me to focus. So please observe yourself, your words and your thoughts. Thank you.